Hey, what's going on? This is Mitchell with Artisans and Arthropod. Just wanted to show you guys quickly today our new cribbage board design. So this board is crafted from ash and mahogany. You can see it's got onboard storage for playing cards and pegs. Cards go here, pegs go here. This is a bit of magnet work that snaps this piece back on. Really satisfying. Nice little cut thumb grooves. So it makes our boards a little more interesting and lets us attack a higher price point, is that we have the CNC drill this 4-track design, and then we actually use a laser engraver to draw these nice track lines around it. So a lot of machine work, but a lot of quirks with those machines as well. So the woodworking, though, matches what our machines can do. We got this nice glue up with alternating colors. One area that, hey, if you guys want to drop a comment and give us some suggestions, we are looking for suggestions for what you guys like for the undersides of these cribbage boards. So we usually do felt pads here just to protect the board, protect furniture, but they can look a little tacky. You can use those little rubber cabinet catches. Those are great, they stick well, but they really exacerbate any uneven surface that this is going to be on. The board's perfectly flat, but if the table isn't, it'll wobble a little bit. There are bigger rubber feet that kind of compensate for that a little bit, and they screw on, and that's what we're thinking about using. But what have you guys seen? What do you like? You know, let us know. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more cool stuff like this. Till next time, peace.